Hello again, this is Daryl Williams with Win-Win Realtors here in Southern California. As I mentioned, I wanted to take you on a tour on the inside of my new listing in the city of Los Angeles. This is the unit that can be shown. This is the rear unit. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and in my opinion, it has lots of character. This particular home is owned by a trust. If you as the buyer is interested in some of the furnishings, it will be available. The flooring is beautiful, in my opinion. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. The cabinetry has been updated. It's what I would describe as a cozy, but the space in that kitchen is well utilized, I should say. This is the laundry area that has tile flooring there. And this is, of course, still the kitchen. There is the refrigerator, which can stay with the property, and the stove. Lots of character this home has. It will be nice for a starting family, a new family. This is a closet, this particular door here. This is a closet. This is one of the bedrooms. Obviously, someone used it as a sitting room of some kind, the owner. Cozy with a lot of character. That's how I would describe it. Okay, we want to make our way back down the hallway here. Again, that door, this door right here, is a closet. Nice size walk-in closet as well. Beautiful flooring in the closet. The door to the left is the 1-bath. And this is the 2nd bedroom. This is obviously the bedroom where the owner of the property slept. Has a beautiful ceiling fan here in this particular bedroom that keeps the bedroom nice and cool. There's the closet area right there to the right-hand side. And right on the other side of those curtains there is a little desk area. That's what the owner used that space for, obviously. We're going to make our way back down the hallway out of the bedroom. Again, the ceiling fan doing its job. And here's the bathroom. The bathroom appeared to have a lot of the original fixtures. Maybe not the complete originals, because the house was built according to the assessor's records in 1939, I believe. There's tile flooring in the bathroom. Let's make our way. There's a gas heating system here that's in the hallway. And another closet, hallway closet, great for linen and items like that. Bathroom tiles and things like that. We're going to make our way back to the living room. and take a look outside. There it is. There is the front unit there, which is also a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. It is tenant occupied.